Howdy folks, Troy with V-Twins to V8s. I'm here today to do an unboxing and check out the TurboStart Battery. These batteries are supposed to mimic the original battery for your classic cars. Like behind me here, I've been restoring this 64 Imperial for some time now. You probably, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll see a lot of how-to videos that have used this specific car. And I've got the engine compartment pretty well dialed in. And the battery thing always becomes a sticking point. Like, you know, in the past, we've had the caps and covers that you put on the top, the decals that go on the side, things like that. They kind of disguise the battery so it looks like an old school battery. But this is supposed to actually be a shell of an old school battery with all the new stuff on the inside. So it's like a resto modded battery. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this baby open and see what it really looks like. I've yet to see it other than in pictures, and I'm anxious to give it a shot and see what exactly this sucker looks like. So here we go. So what is in here? A lot of styrofoam, and yeah, it's a battery. Alright, I'm just going to cut this box right open because I don't need it. Just cut this baby right down like that. As they say in Jersey, bada bing, bada boom. Look at that. Oh, you're seeing the plain side. This is the good side over here. Let me slide this right off of here like this. And look at that. I mean, wow. It looks just like a Mopar battery should. I mean, it's mint. It's got the yellow caps on the top. It says Mopar on it. This is great. I'm going to set it in the car and we'll get a look at what it looks like. So as you can see, it's a pretty original looking under hood. If you can imagine putting the Napa Auto Parts Special in there, it just would ruin the look of it. I could actually throw one in there and show you what it would look like versus the other, which, yeah, we could do that. Yeah, so I mean, you know, this is what basically you'd be looking at, the Auto Parts Special in there. And I mean, it's just nasty. Yeah, so there you go. So now there's our Mopar battery in the spot where it's supposed to be. Perfect. I don't have any of those clunky side terminals. I don't have the flat top. I don't have the handle on there. I mean, you know, this looks like this battery is supposed to be in this car, which is what we're really going for here. So there it is, folks, the TurboStart battery for the Mopar. It looks mint, fits in there perfect. Kind of caps off our whole underhood look here to have that real original type of look. Please check out the description area below the video for links to get this product. Make any comments that you'd like. Like the video, please, and subscribe if you will. I'm Troy Kane from V-Twins to V8s, and thank you for tuning in, and good luck on your project.